Oh yes, common grackles. They've just arrived. I love their announcement that winter is now over and it's springtime, but are they ever hungry? I know common grackles are not your most popular backyard bird, but believe it or not, they do their fair share of good. They love eating insects, so that will keep bugs in check. So when they arrive in the spring and there isn't much to eat for them, I don't mind feeding them. But ask me at the beginning of June, I'll probably be annoyed with them. So here are a few things that you can do, maybe not to completely stop grackles, but at least to control their voracious appetites. First of all, place your bird feeding station close to your house or to your windows. Grackles are easily spooked and don't feel very comfortable next to buildings. That's why I love our Podium Kits, and I have a Squirrel Buster Plus podium right next to my kitchen window where I barely ever see grackles. Then try to change up your menu. Grackles can get to Niger seed in our Squirrel Buster finch feeder. They don't care for safflower seed or plain suet. That's the suet that doesn't have anything in it, like, peanuts, sunflower seeds, or mealworms. It's plain. If you're using our Squirrel Solutions or Squirrel Buster bird feeders, there are a few things that you can do to make it less comfortable for grackles to feed. Try removing the perches completely. If you have a Squirrel Buster Plus feeder, install a weather guard, remove the cardinal ring, remove the perches. Grackles will not feel comfortable accessing bird seed like that, but other birds won't have any issues.